In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit an assignment in Google Classroom, whether you're a student trying to navigate this digital platform or someone simply looking to help another. This guide is here to remove any doubts and make sure you're ready to tackle your assignments efficiently. First, open your preferred web browser and head to classroom.google.com. If you aren't already logged in, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. This is crucial as it ensures that you're accessing the right classes and assignments tied to your account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with all your classes neatly organized. Take a moment to locate the particular class where the assignment has been given. This step ensures that you're submitting your work to the correct class, avoiding any miscommunications with instructors. Once you're in the relevant class, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the Classwork tab. This section is where all the assignments, quizzes, and other work are organized. Clicking on this tab will give you an overview of all the tasks set by your teacher, so you can easily find the assignment you need to submit. The next step is to identify the specific assignment you're working on. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page with assignment details. It's a good idea to click on View Instructions to read any special guidelines your teacher may have included. Once you're clear on what's expected, look for the Add or Create button. This is your gateway to submitting your work. If you've already completed your work and it's saved on Google Drive or your device, simply choose the appropriate option to upload your file. You also have the flexibility to create a new Google Doc, sheet, or slide directly from this interface if you need to start your work from scratch. This integrated feature can save you a lot of time, as you won't need to switch between multiple tabs or applications. After uploading or creating your work, your next move is to hit the Turn In button. If by chance no digital file is required and you've simply completed a task like reading or watching a video, select the Mark as Done option instead. At this point, a confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to finalize your submission. Click Turn In once more to make it official, and there you have it, you've successfully submitted your assignment. It's always a good practice to check back on the platform to ensure everything is marked correctly. I hope this guide has been helpful and makes your Google Classroom experience a bit smoother. See you next time.